On that note, I'm going to have a cookie because, oops, and you can have one too. A cookie a day keeps toxic men at bay, is what.
क्या बात है? It's an unmentionable.
So the thing we're not mentioning is basically our voluptuous bottoms. Because I was just told to hide the cards, a mic, and an entire laptop behind, and it's really not that big. So I thought you weren't supposed to say that. I don't care anymore, man.
With my children, at least I try. With my son, one day he did ask me, he said, why do I have all these things and those people don't? And I told him that when you're born with a silver spoon in your mouth, it's your responsibility to use that. Even if not a silver spoon, maybe even a plastic spoon, but if you have any spoon of any sort, to use that to scoop up some porridge and give it to someone who doesn't have a spoon. And I think from that day, I've also seen him looking at life differently and also realizing that privilege is a platform which can be used to help other people.
If you're the person who looks into the mirror and says, oh shit, is this me? Then you're normally on the right path only. It's the ones who do not look in the eye or who look in the eye and say, I'm great, then you're doomed. We grew up in this all-female household.
Yes.
So, you know, you have a single mom who's raising you and then your grandmothers and your aunts, and that's your world. And though we never even spoke about feminism in our house, I think it became an inherent part of my being.
Yeah, I forgot about it. How much I've beaten Farhan when we were kids. I was wearing a white kurta and ready for the quintessential rain song, and the director comes with a shawl wrapped around imitating Guru Dutt only.
Oh.
And he says, if I tell you to do a mandakini, what will you say? I said, I will say two things. First, I will say no, and secondly, you're not Raj Kapoor. After that, he never spoke to me, he never repeated me, and it was horrible. But at some point, you have to hold your ground.
I mean, I don't believe in it, but my dad used to tell me things. He was not an astrologer, he had an astrologer. And that astrologer, before I met my husband, that astrologer told him, and he told me, you will marry Akshay Kumar. And I said, who? The full name.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine? You will marry Akshay Kumar. I was like, who? I don't even know him. I mean, what? And then he came after many years, then of course I married Akshay Kumar, and then after many years he came with that astrologer home for coffee, and I don't really ask people these things. And I said, okay, you're sitting, so how about my business? He's saying, you'll become a writer. I said, I've not written anything for 20 years. And I told him, tell me about my Sajawat ka business, what are you pakawing me? Writer banega, rubbish. And now, you know, after so many years. But what's the point of knowing? That's my attitude. Kuch nahi, kyun puchne ka?
I have the same situation at home, and I tell him the same thing, that I am your best friend, and as a friend I'm telling you, don't do this. I cannot stop you. I can't give you Benadryl at night and make sure that you're unconscious and don't turn up the next day and do what I don't want you to do. But at the end of the day, it is his choice, and at the end of the day, he also he also doesn't interfere or tries to interfere in what I have to do. And I think that really is something. So many people keep coming and saying, how can you all have two different opinions? How can you all have different ideologies? But we are not supposed to be one. We are supposed to be two people who are learning from each other. And I also think it's very important for even your children to see that their mother has their own identity. She is a working woman. She is not there hanging around saying, you know, looking for your father's socks and where's his underwear, because and theirs, I think they also grow up then having a strong work ethic.
In fact, I don't think that mothers are the right people when it comes to weight and self-esteem,
Right.
all of them. I had this bizarre diet where she said, just before I was getting into the movie, she decided that I need to lose some weight. I said, okay. So she said, well, for 3 weeks, you should only eat red and yellow things, have solarized water, and there was this solar lamp, again red.
Right.
And you have to have this light on you, and you need to do this. After 3 weeks, I not only had gained 2 kilos, but I had a burn mark on my stomach because that solar light had toppled on me.
No!
So I don't think mothers are really people to rely on, at least when it comes to weight. I think you have to just figure it out for yourself.
I was working with your husband once, and we were shooting. There were these little hills in the middle of, some river.
Oh, I remember that one.
You remember that?
Yeah, I remember
and
that
so all the men would just turn their backs and, pee wherever they wanted, and I was just holding on. So it was like breakfast, lunch, 3 o'clock. I said, my bladder is going to burst. I can't do this anymore. And I got into a boat and I went rowing myself to another hill, did my business and came back. And of course, then everybody is looking at me. And heroines are not even supposed to have any of these bodily functions.
Yeah,
right?
we're not supposed to.
No.
इतना छोटा सा बच्चा था, पट पट करके मेरे से बात कर रहा है।
क्या करूँ?
बाप रे।